Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Balaji Serenity by Balaji Group located in Mira Road. Now I will also take you and show you the actual land parcel of the project. And this is the actual land parcel of the project where you can see the construction has already started. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.75 acre that will have one tower of ground plus 34 floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now before getting into location and connectivity, I would like to tell you that this is the actual location of the project. You can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood. And the project is located opposite JP Alexa Mira Road, from where metro is only at a distance of 3 minutes, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 5 minutes, Mira Bhayandar Road is at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have Mira Road railway station only at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, amphitheatre, jogging track, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 426 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 671 and 685 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 1 lakh. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Balaji Serenity by Balaji Group located in Mira Road.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.